Welcome to Miniatures by Princess. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the Miniatures by Princess Adirondack table kit. Let's get started. First, put that double-sided tape on your template so that you can adhere the slats of the table to it. This will keep all of your pieces from moving while you glue the crossbars on. Now you're going to take some wood glue. I like Gorilla. And just put dots where you see the brace underneath in the template. And then glue the 3 long ones in the center and the 2 shorter ones toward the top and bottom. Now, next we're gonna glue the table legs together. I like to use one of the little slats underneath so that it lifts it up, and while it's drying, it dries just better like that. Now we're gonna glue the table legs in after you've let them dry. Let everything dry before you do this part. And just glue them at the edge of those shorter cross braces. It takes a little finagling, and you do need to hold it a little bit so that the glue can dry. And then do the other side. And we'll let this dry, and we'll come back in a second and put the table leg braces across. You can see me dry fitting it there to make sure they were in the right position. All right, now we're going to put those braces on the legs. Very simple, just put a couple of dots of glue toward the bottom edge of your table legs and put your brace on. And turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. This was a very simple kit to put together. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, share, like for more content. I am on TikTok, I am on Pinterest, I am on Facebook, I am everywhere. Come follow me.